What is up, my friend? What is going on, man? Today is Saturday. Actually, I don't really need to be making videos today, okay? But, because of something requested by some kind of people, yeah, my group of people, my followers, yep. I say thank you for checking out my video and asking a question which I'm going to answer now. All right. Now, what is in front of me is the dashboard of the Forex Trendy, okay, the tool that shows the trend of the market. You understand? And I want to clarify some things, okay, that the reason why I got into using this tool, okay, I've been using this tool for 3 years, 3 solid years now, okay, and I jump into this tool, when I noticed that I cannot stay with a broker's chart and can be able to identify the original trend of the market. I found out that, man, the way some brokers do manipulate the candlesticks, or maybe they do something to confuse you while you are on their chart. Yeah, that even if you're on it million times, you trade, you lose. Okay, one thing that make you lose is when you cannot identify the direction of the market. Okay, and when I noticed that, that is why I had to figure out that, okay, what is the solution to all this nonsense, that I cannot be bringing my money to come and trade and one broker is manipulating the chart in my front. You understand? I want to be able to identify the trends of any pair and get in the way I want to get in. Now, this is why the Forex Trendy solved this problem for me, okay? As you can see, I'm a trader of 11 or 13 years, to say. I think it's 13 years, But when you look at someone like me, you have to know I must be able to identify what I want to do. As a proof, you see, I'm a trend following trader. If you see what is right in front of me, you can see some things that, I always have my things on a sheet of paper, right? Great. That shows you that, yes, someone like me must know what he's doing and what he wants. All right. That is why I solved my problem with this Forex Trendy tool. Okay. The first thing, it let me see the direction of the market based on the trend, which is something here that I'm showing you, showing that we're going up. And this is the trend drawdown, which is the signal of this Forex Trendy itself. It gives you the drawdown signal, and you take it and you ride on. At least once you know where the trend is going, I mean, half of the game is done. All you just need to do is go use your own entry tool, the way you analyze your market to find your entry spot, like all this type of spot. You hitting all these ones, or you use the drawdown itself to get your entry and move on. You understand? Makes me even see almost, more than 10 charts at a time, and I know the trend where they're going. So in this case, there's no need to come and guess which pair I want to trade, or to be looking for which pair I want to find. Easy, just like this. I can take a glance, 10 solid pair at a time, and I can just use my own entry strategy and get into the market and go and relax, man. Can even use this drawdown signal immediately to enter it and just get out somewhere along the way. Take my 20 pips, take my 20 pips along the way, take my 50 pips along the way. Okay, because this drawdown itself is almost like 300 pips. Okay, which means if we're gonna go 300 pips up, then I have ability to take 20 pips, 50 pips, 70 pips, or whatever I want to take and get out. And all these moves will happen within 1 day or 2 days. Okay, 1 or 2 days, this moves will happen. So it gives you a lot of advantage, in the market. This is why I told a lot of people, and you, my followers, a lot of you, I said, look, I don't even have a computer. I throw my computer away, because the only thing that makes me use my computer is because I want to see my chart. And when I discovered that my broker's chart, I cannot identify the trend, like they manipulate the price, sometimes they manipulate the chart. So I got to throw it away and find a solution. Because of this Forex Trendy, the only thing I use is my iPhone to execute my trade. And I need the Forex Trendy on my iPad, to get my own drawdown direction. When you get your drawdown, you get in, get your profit, you leave. Let's see, where is the direction of this? Look at down, There's no need to think twice, no need to analyze twice. You understand? Just take a look at it and it gives you your drawdown signal. You get in, you're off, you're done, you're good. Okay? Now, let's go to the settings and see what is going on. How are you going to set this thing? Settings, it has two settings options, like the trend itself. The trend. You see the trend? I choose all the pair, and I put my own to 1 hour, because it's the 1 hour, it's my own main chart that I'm looking at. And I said, okay, look at it. Charts, I want to see 10 charts, 20 bars. Okay, and I said to alert me when drawdown is 30%, below 30%. That is the best drawdown I ever need to trade, at least along the trend. For me, being a trend following trader, when this goes below 30%, I understand that, okay, on my own chart itself, the price have pulled back to a moving average, to any moving average, and I'm coming to take that. You understand? Okay, if you want to see my moving average strategy, you can check my YouTube channel. I have it all based on moving average. You understand? And we have the pattern. I don't use it. Okay, I don't use it. As you can see, only gold I have here. Okay, I'm just staying alert with gold, so that when gold happens, I can take gold. But you see, I'm a trend following trader. Okay, that's why I do the trend alone. I'm not doing pattern. So, and I've gotten the best results with trend following. Okay, yeah. And I set my time to like from 0 to 22, 23 hours, which means the signals will continue on and on, from the morning I wake up to, midnight, like 11 in my own country here, 11 p.m. in the night, it's gonna stop. Okay, and after then the next day it continues, then I continue to trade. You understand? So this is the settings that I think I can explain, because it's because of the settings that I came out to make this video for you. And I'll tell you, this has saved me a lot. Okay, because if you imagine how you wake up and plan your trade and come and sit in front of your chart, and you are on your broker's chart, and you discover that your broker is the one manipulating the chart in front of you. When a trend is supposed to be going up, you seeing it as if it's going down, and you cannot even see the real trend, the major trend itself. Look at the Forex Trendy. This is a 1 hour time frame chart, and look at how we saw the drawdown, and we saw the big trend itself, which you cannot even see on your broker platform. This is why you lose. Maybe on your broker platform, this is the only thing you'll be seeing, and you will think this one is a trend that is going up, and you will never see all these things that is right here. You understand? So this is why I do video about Forex Trendy all the time. It helps you with your trends. If you are a trend trader and you use Forex Trendy, at least it helps you solve the problem of identifying where the trend is going. Okay, and for those people who feel like, hey, I know how to identify the trend, I've been trading for 2-3 years, I tell you, my friend, you better go and stop that thing. Okay, go and stop that thing, because if you experience a broker manipulating the chart right in front of you, you will understand why you need to go find a good solution to your own problem. You understand? This is Forex Trendy, and I think I've explained the settings. So, you want it. The link is going to be below this video. If I've not answered your question, you can ask in the comment section. I will come back and address your question. For this moment, this is the time we sign off. Bye-bye.